There are many products available to choose best kitchen gadgets, make everything easy, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read ton of reviews, and compiled a list from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Preserves freshness for cereal, granola, coffee beans, and more food safe. BPA-free plastic container natural and sustainable bamboo. Material removable crumb tray. For easy cleanup, provides 1/4 cup of contents for portion control. With each twist brings stylish organization and freshness to your kitchen with the Honey Can Do Bamboo Cereal Dispenser. Model KCH 09867. Crafted with a natural bamboo base and clear plastic canister, this countertop-friendly food dispenser offers the perfect blend of beauty and utility. Whether you're pouring a bowl of cereal, dispensing granola, or organizing pantry essentials, this dispenser keeps food fresh, accessible, and neatly stored, while adding a modern, minimalist touch to your space. Glowing Star key features. White heavy checkmark natural bamboo base, elegant and eco-friendly. The bamboo base adds warmth and natural charm to any kitchen, pantry, or breakfast nook. White heavy checkmark clear airtight canister. The transparent food-grade plastic container makes it easy to monitor contents at a glance, while the airtight lid helps lock in freshness and prevent moisture or pests. White heavy checkmark easy twist dispense mechanism. A simple twist of the handle dispenses a measured portion of food with minimal mess, making it great for kids, busy mornings, or anyone watching portion sizes. White heavy checkmark compact and counter ready. Its slim footprint takes up minimal space on your countertop or shelf, offering efficient storage without cluttering your kitchen. White heavy checkmark versatile. Use ideal for cereal, oats, trail mix, granola, nuts, candy, coffee beans, pet food, rice, or dry pasta. This is a multi-purpose solution for organizing dry goods with ease. White heavy checkmark no mess tray. The built-in drip tray at the bottom catches stray crumbs or spills, helping to maintain a clean and tidy surface. Hammer and wrench. How to use. Fill the canister. Remove the airtight lid and pour in your favorite dry food, such as cereal, granola, rice, or coffee beans. Replace the lid. Secure the top to maintain freshness and protect contents from air and moisture. Dispense as needed. Simply turn the knob to release a portion into your bowl or cup. The dispenser measures out approximately 1 ounce per twist. Great for portion control. Clean easily. Both the canister and base are easy to wipe clean. Hand washing is recommended for long-lasting clarity and finish. House with garden perfect for heavy checkmark pantry and kitchen organization, heavy checkmark modern and natural decor themes, heavy checkmark families, kids, and health-conscious households, heavy checkmark quick grab snack stations or breakfast bars, heavy checkmark coffee stations, or office kitchens. Upgrade your kitchen with a functional piece of design-forward storage. The Honey Can Do Bamboo Cereal Dispenser doesn't just store your food, it makes your kitchen smarter, cleaner, and more beautiful. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.